Hello? Echo. Turn off. Sorry, I can't let my ghetto get in my videos. How are you guys doing? So I was trying to go live on my business page and it wasn't working. So if you're having issues with that, will somebody tell me if they're having issues with their business page? Because that was actually really annoying for me. I was like, really? I kept trying to go live and it wouldn't work. And so this iPad's gonna die, so I'm gonna make this really fast. But I was just filming like a keto taco casserole, low carb. And I realized that I make my own low carb taco seasoning. And I just keep it in that cabinet right there. So I decided I would show you guys really, really fast how to do it, because it literally is so simple. And you can like double, triple, whatever, because like I keep it in a little jar like this. Can you see my little jar? I keep it in a little jar just so I always have it on hand. I found that, especially now with my egg fast, like having things prepped is life-changing, just so you know. So make sure you prep, y'all. So anyway, I'll tell you really fast how to make it before my iPad dies. But you're gonna need, the biggest ingredient in this is ground chili powder. Man, my hair's not doing what I wanted it to today. So the ground chili powder, you just need a tablespoon of that. See, tablespoon of ground chili powder. Again, and you guys literally can just put it in a little jar and keep it in your pantry and then just measure it out. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but in a normal packet of like ranch or Italian or taco seasoning or whatever it is, it's always 2 tablespoons. This makes a 1/4 cup, just so you know. Because when I made my taco casserole, I'm gonna show you guys so bad, it's still cooking now. But when I made that, oh my God, what am I doing with me? When I made that, I used the whole 1/4 cup, just so you guys know. So it's a tablespoon of ground chili powder of this, got it? Then it is 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin. Now, we are a Cuban family, so I have the biggest jar of cumin you'll ever see in your life. Don't judge, whatever. So it's 1.5. And how old were you when you learned this? What? What? So that's 1 teaspoon, and then I have this guy, Pampered Chef. Look at, I'm supporting my friends. And this is 1/2 teaspoon of it. And then I just do the same thing. I could just do the little top thing right there. You guys, when I figured that out, I thought I was a genius, just so you know. Okay, and then a teaspoon, so that was cumin. And then it's gonna be a teaspoon of paprika. And I'll put it all in the comments too, just so you guys can look at it, because it's not always the easiest. So, teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon granulated garlic. Ooh, she's getting low. That might be all I have left. Come here, honey. Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon of that. And then 1/2 teaspoon of granulated onion. Oh yeah, she's getting low too. Okay. So 1/2 teaspoon of that. 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Half a teaspoon salt. I hope my business page isn't screwed up. That really upset me. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Oh my gosh, that's so small. Whatever. And then I literally, so I put it all in this little jar. And he's so cute. And then you just mix it up, and then you guys literally have it on hand. And that's for anyone, like if you're doing like the no sugar life, because what I'm trying to do is super low carb, no sugar, like call that what you want. It's not easy. I'm literally on day 2 of an egg fast, and yeah, that's been fun. But it's actually, it's not too bad. I feel like you get a lot of energy, like after your body realizes that you're not gonna eat real food for a hot minute. So anyway, guys, I just literally put this in this little thing like this, and I keep it in the pantry with everything else. And then I can make stuff like taco casserole, like what I made today. And I'll show you guys. I'm making a video for that, so it's gonna be on a different platform. But anyway, I just wanted to have fun and show you guys this because I just learned it the other day and it's really changed my life. Because when you're really trying to go like low carb and all of that, or like low sugar or no sugar is really hard for me. It's having things prepped is super important, so do that. So anyway, thank you guys for having on, and I will upload this other video soon enough. Have a good day.